To begin, open the phone app, the green icon with a phone symbol. Now, tap Voicemail in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap Greeting in the top right corner of the screen. Next, you will see two options. First, Default, your carrier's automated voicemail message. And, Custom, allows you to record your own message. Tap Custom to personalize your greeting. To record your own greeting, tap Record. And speak your message clearly. For example, you can say, "Hi, I can't take your call right now, but please leave a message, and I'll get back to you soon." Once you are finished, tap Stop. Tap Play to listen to your message. If you are not happy with it, tap Stop and then tap Record again. Once you are satisfied, tap Save in the top right corner. And that's it. Your voicemail has been set successfully. From now on, if you miss a call, the caller will hear your voicemail and can leave a message. You will get a notification when you have a new voicemail. So that's how you can set up voicemail on your iPhone.